Hello, let's look at this question. Find an equation for the line containing the points 12, 0 and 0, negative 11 and write the equation in general form. Okay, so we are given 2 points, okay, with coordinates 0, and negative 11 and 12, 0. And we are asked to write the equation of the line. To write the equation, we need the slope of the line. Therefore, let's start by finding the slope of the line. Slope m is rise over run. Rise is the change in y coordinates, and run is the change in x. Okay. So let's start by finding the vertical distance rise between the 2 points. Okay, the y coordinates are 0 and negative 11. So rise is 0 minus negative 11, which is 11. The horizontal distance run between the 2 points is the difference between the y coordinates, which is 12 and 0. So it is 12 minus 0, which is 12. And the slope is rise over run, okay, which is 11 over 2. Okay. Okay, as you have noticed, we subtracted the coordinates of the y coordinate of the blue point from the green point. Okay. Consistently, we subtract the x coordinate of the blue point from the green point. Okay. Alternatively, we can subtract the y coordinates of the green point from the blue point. Okay. So it is negative 11 minus 0 is negative 11. If we do it this way, we should calculate the run in the same order also. We should subtract the x coordinate of the green point from the blue point, which is negative 12. And slope is negative 11 over negative 12, which is 11 over 12. Okay, so we get the same slope value. So it is important from which point we subtract the coordinates from which point. So blue minus green or green minus blue. As long as you are consistent while calculating rise and run, you'll get the same slope value. Okay. So slope is 11 over 12. Okay. If we interpret the slope, we can say that for every y unit increase in x, y will increase by the amount of slope, which is 11 over 12 units. So the slope is the change in y when x increases by 1 unit. Alternatively, we can say that if x increases by the amount in the denominator, by the amount of run, y will increase by the amount in the numerator, which is the rise, by 11 units. So if x increases by 12 units, y will increase by 11 units. Okay, both are same. Now what we have so far, we have 2 points on the line and the slope value. Okay, remember, if we want to write the equation in the slope-intercept form, we write it as y is equal to m slope times x plus the y-intercept b. Okay, we know the slope, so we substitute m is equal to 11 over 12. into this equation, and we get y is equal to 11 over 12x plus b. So b is unknown. We should solve for b using one of the points on the line. You can arbitrarily choose any point. Let's choose the first point, okay, which has x coordinate of 12 and y coordinate of 0. We substitute y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 12 and solve for b. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so on the right we have 11 over 12 times 12, which is 11. We substitute 11 into this part and we get 0 is equal to 11 plus b. To isolate b, subtract 11 from both sides. Okay, these 11s cancel and we get b is equal to negative 11. Okay, so we found b also. Now we can fully write the equation of the line, which is y is equal to 11 over 12x minus b, which is minus 11. Okay, so this equation is in slope-intercept form, but we are asked to write it in general form. Remember, the equation of a line is in general form, or sometimes it's called standard form, if it is written as ax plus by is equal to c. So both the x variable and the y variable are on the left side, and the constant term is on the right side. So to write this in general form, I should take the x term to the left side. I can do it in different ways. We can start by get rid of the fractions. So I can multiply both sides by 12. Okay. Here I get 12 times y, and here I get 12 times the whole term. Okay. So 12 times 11 over 12x, and 12 minus 12 times 11. Okay. I get 12y is equal to 11x minus 132. Now what's next? Move x to the left side and get negative 11x plus 12y is equal to negative 132. So this is the general form corresponding to this line. We can stop here, or we can equivalently write this equation by multiplying both sides by -1, and we can get 11x minus 12y, the solution.